What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another unboxing video. And today I got 6-inch Mechagodzilla with heat. So I got 6-inch instead, which I was pretty much wanting anyways, but I'll try my best to get 11-inch Mechagodzilla. Just hope for the best I'll get him. And Mechagodzilla just comes the best. That was a really good movie. And Mechagodzilla in action, he was like amazing. Seeing him in action, haven't seen him in a long time. Let's see here. Get him open here. Right, this guy was rare. I'm just about. Oh wait, I forgot. I keep forgetting to show y'all the back. Sorry. All right, here's the back. I just need the war bat. I just need Comet Fighter Jet, and I need the Skull Crawler. That's what I need. But right now, I'm just after 11-inch Mechagodzilla right now, so I'm just gonna wait on those guys. He's out of the box, and oh my gosh, seeing him in person is just ooh-wee, man. It's amazing. Alright, let's get this guy out now. I'm not getting a tail. The tail was pretty hard. Just see you get the bout. Try to get the heave out. Alright, got that off. Oh my gosh. Seeing Mechagodzilla in person is just so weird a little bit. Like, instead of seeing him on camera. Alright, let's stand you right here. Alright, I'm gonna pretty much start off with the heave. So, I can't compare it because I don't have the Skull Crawler with the heave. So, it's pretty much, he has green mold. Let's see. Like, it's pretty hard to, pretty much stiff. Right here. And we got the battle damage piece. Let's get this guy. Let's get this off. Alright. It's gonna be hard to get the tail though. Alright, so we got the battle damage piece. You can see right here. Looks like exactly right here. I'll put that on off camera, so I pretty much have to pause it. Let's get this tail right. Alright. Everything's out. Alright, everything is out. Alright, so the tail pretty much bendy a little bit. The also plates pretty much are pretty soft, like feels rough. So let's get I'm gonna get this down damage. Alright, this is how much I could get them on. Like, pretty hard to get on. Like, alright, let's get the tail on. Just hope for the best. It's not hard. Oh my god, guys, that tail was a struggle. Oh my god, it was hard to get on. Alright, so let's break this guy down. So, first up, let's start with the arms. 360, not pretty much all the way, just the platform right there. Sucks that you can't bend you can't use the hands like open and close them, which pretty sucks. Well, this one's 360 degrees. Let's see if I can do this one again. Yep, 360 degrees. Like the legs, you can like be like karate with Mechagodzilla. Like yeah, the feet. It was jointed, okay. It's pretty nice. And you can do with the other one. Pretty cool. And you can use the 60 degrees. So you make this one right here. And that sucks. You can't like joint it. It's okay. Move his mouth. And this paint job, man, this is amazing. And you can move the tail. Just hope it doesn't break. Yep, you can move 360 degrees. This tail was like a struggle to put on. Like I literally had to pause the video for you guys. And yeah, this is Mechagodzilla. So you can put the heat on here. Yeah, Mechagodzilla with heat. Yeah, I don't think I can put it on. I think you can, but it's in a certain way. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Yeah, Mechagodzilla. Now I'm gonna get my Comic Battle Axe and Godzilla with Heat Ray. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I got him. Comic Battle Axe and Godzilla with Heat Ray. And one thing cool with the Heat Ray, people did this. Like you could put it in his mouth, just like that. Hey, I like that. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Amazing. That's pretty cool, like you put it. But I wish they came with the red Heat Ray. That would have been cool. That would have been cool, like though. But that would have been amazing. Right. I'll give this Mechagodzilla a 9 out of 10. This is amazing. But one thing I have a problem, one thing I don't like about it is that you can't like close the hands. Like that's one thing I don't like about it. But overall, this figure is amazing. This is amazing. This is a good figure, guys. All right. So here are the size comparisons between Mechagodzilla, Godzilla, and Kong, and you can tell Mechagodzilla is pretty much taller, and which I like. I wanted Mechagodzilla to be taller than these two. Pretty much it's mostly taller than Kong and mostly taller than Godzilla. And you can tell I think Godzilla's a little bit slightly taller than Kong. And overall, and I love it. I'm glad Mechagodzilla's taller. Because I always wanted Mechagodzilla to be like a little taller. So this is amazing. And yep, that's Mechagodzilla. Thank you guys for watching. I've been working so hard to get this guy. Even I'm still looking for 11-inch. But don't worry, the hunt never stops. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.